Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Dollar General haul to share with you. I would say 90% of the items that I'm sharing today came from the Dollar Deals aisle. I needed some laundry items, so I did pick up this Home Bright. There's a glare. Okay, Home Bright fabric softener sheets, 42 sheets, which in my opinion is a pretty good deal for $1. And they are in the Cotton Fresh scent. Also in the dollar aisle, I did pick up another one of these Clorox lavender with eucalyptus in wash scent booster crystals. And this day I found a bonus bag. It's 20% more. And the other bags were 10 ounces and this one is 12. So if you can find the bonus size, I definitely recommend picking these up. I'm not the biggest fan of lavender, I always say that, but these aren't that strong. They're strong enough for the laundry, but they don't give me headaches, so I will purchase these. It all just depends. Like if it's really loud and stuff, like I won't buy it because it gives me headaches. And I also needed a fabric, the like liquid stuff. I love the Swaddle Complete, and it does several different things. I love this for stain removal. I like using this in Connor's laundry especially. This was actually $4.50. It is 46 fluid ounces, does 46 loads, and it's in filled flowers. So I really like this stuff and I will keep repurchasing this. I needed some toilet bowl cleaner, and I do prefer Lime Away, but I wasn't at the DollarTree, so I did decide to try the scrub-free toilet bowl cleaner. Cleans, deodorizes, crystal clean. It's 16 fluid ounces. So I decided to try that. And I also decided to try this Clorox bleach-free dish soap in the Sweet Rosewater scent. It says it's tough on grease and it's 12 fluid ounces, and I just kind of was intrigued that it smelled like roses, which roses, again, not the biggest fan, but it's a light scent. And they had these in like ocean water or ocean breeze and a lemon scent, but I was like, I've never had a dish soap that smelled like roses, so we'll try it out. A package of True Living foam plates. If you buy foam plates, buy them in the aisle outside of the Dollar Deal aisles. The Dollar Deal aisles, you get like 10 plates or something, but if you buy these on one of the outside aisles, you get 30 plates for $1. And it's getting ready to be the weekend, and I just kind of wanted to have an easy weekend. Because I wash dishes like crazy. My hands are constantly in water. So I wanted some paper plates. I haven't bought paper plates in so long. So long. Probably a couple months anyways. Yeah. And 150 count paper napkins. And these are from the brand Smart Care. They really have these compacted in here. But I needed these for my nail art table. I needed these at my makeup area, so to do for nail art. And these nails are going to be turned into Lisa Frank nails, and they're powders. I used powders to create this look. I love how they came out. So yeah, napkins for $1, 150, can't beat that. Still in the dollar aisle, I picked up some ibuprofen. This is 200 milligram pain reliever and 25 tablets for $1. And I needed these like ASAP, so I opened them and took some yesterday when I bought them. These were great for cramping and headaches, obviously, stuff like that. So picked up that. And I found another Soft Whisper body wash. So I picked this up. I didn't need it, but I love these Soft Whisper body washes, and this one's in the almond milk and lavender honey. These are 18 fluid ounces. These lather so well. They smell amazing always. Very moisturizing. It's a thicker body wash for in the dollar aisle. And it does have lavender once again, but it's so subtle you can't even smell it in this particular one. And you literally, to me, it just smells like the almond milk and honey. This one's really nice, and I found it again, so I picked it up. And then 2 new items I found from Yardley. I found this daily moisturizing face and body cream, and it's a little over 2.5 ounces. It's in this nice convenient little tin, so it would be good for travel. I thought maybe I would sit it on my, where I like to leave my supplies to paint my nails. Maybe leave it there for moisturizing my hands. I don't know yet. I'm eager to try this out. And the Yardley roll-on deodorant in fresh oatmeal and almond. It's 1.7 ounces. And during the summer I do like to use roll-on deodorants. I like that scent. So almond and oatmeal. So I'm curious. We're going to try it out for $1. I have been using and rewashing this set of dish scrubbers from the Dollar General that I picked up. This one is the truck with the pumpkins. They have 3 different styles, and then it comes with a green one also, a plain green one. Yesterday I picked up the other 2 sets because I've been really liking these. I'm reusing sponges right now. I like that it's more cost effective because I'm, you know, able to reuse them, wash them, you know. You get what I'm saying? Anyways, these are the other 2 styles that Dollar General had for $1 each. Dish scrubbers. So this one comes with a plain orange one. And I love that it has the mushrooms on there. Oh, I love it. And then the pumpkin one, different colored pumpkins. And it also comes with an orange one. It's a brighter orange than the one under, well, I guess that one, now comparing them, that's kind of like a, I was going to say red, but that's not red. It's like a burnt orange. And this is a brighter orange. Either way, pick these up. And I already have Christmas stuff out at my Dollar General. Anybody else's? Anyways, moving on. I got a Renews It. This is in the dollar aisle, but they had a bunch of fall themed Renews It solid air fresheners. And then I picked the pumpkin spice one. They had like an apple cider donut and I think just a plain apple one too, and this pumpkin one. And then I wanted a fall candle, so this one was $3 in a jar, and I got maple Belgium waffles. It smells so nice. Oh, it smells so good. So it's just a 1-wick candle, but I picked that up. And then these 2 little guys were also for $1. They were in the same area where you find all the decorative fall items. So I'm glad I got my hands on a few fall items to add to my other decorations. These were $1 each. They had these gnomes in different colors. But yesterday they didn't have any more. I'd actually bought this one previous. And I'd just been saving them because I knew that I needed to go back and get a bunch of home stuff. So I figured I'd just share him now. But he has a wooden nose, unlike the DollarTree ones. He is a lot smaller. He just fits in my hand. But he has like a plaid little outfit, a white beard, an orange hat with a bow and a leaf. How adorable! I love him. Oh, and he's weighted down with beans, so he'll sit. And then, last but not least, I picked this Scarecrow up, and I love that it was on its own little stand. It's got cute little details. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Also, only $1. Various colors, too. And the other colors are kind of different styles. So, they have different shirts and stuff. I loved this one. I love this mustardy yellow color for fall. I love it. I thought that they would sit nicely on the countertop together. Because I'm dragging all my fall stuff out. Anyone else with me? Love, love, love me some fall. And this will probably be one of the last summery manicures I do. Possibly. And then we're probably going to be doing just just fall and Halloween, because I'm going to be receiving some PR from Naniology and stuff. So yeah, I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's Dollar General haul. Maybe you feel inspired to go to the Dollar General and search through your dollar deal aisle. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.